Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage chili. First, gather all your ingredients. You will need 1 medium head of cabbage, 1 onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Carefully chop the cabbage into half-inch pieces, dice your onion, and mince the garlic. Also, measure out 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, setting them aside for later. Now, let's build our flavor base. Place a large cooking pot on your stovetop and add about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil. Heat this over medium heat. Once shimmering, add the diced onion and sauté for approximately 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes translucent. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until it releases its wonderful aroma. Next, we combine the main ingredients. Add your chopped cabbage, 1 cup of salsa, and the measured chili powder and cumin to the pot. Incorporate 1 15-ounce can of rinsed black beans and 1 cup of sweet corn. Pour in 1/2 cup of water, stir everything gently to mix, bring it to a boil, and then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Finally, let's finish our chili. Allow the mixture to simmer, covered, for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cabbage reaches your desired tenderness. Taste the chili and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed to perfect the flavor. Serve your warm cabbage chili, perhaps garnished with some fresh herbs or a sprinkle of cheese, and enjoy this hearty meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.